Medyo controversial to kasi in some countries pinapractice siya. Pero ewan ko sa Philippines at mga liberated couples dito. Inviting someone to bed. Other than the two of you, of course.
No.
Yes.
No.
What do you think about that? Kung...
Alam mo, we talk about it. Sabi ko, ganito, ganyan. Sabi ganun. Ako nga, pagod na ako. Sabi na, sayang na pa lang. May sasali pa tayo. But we don't, wala.
No,
wala tayo idea.
We talk about it na, kunwari may situation sa yung social media or whatever, yung story or something in a for us parang would you ever parang
tinatanong namin, gawin mo or if
like,
ever like this.
Sabi
si Brad Pitt ba yan?
Meron kayong gano'n. Mga celebrity top 5s na parang pag tinanong ako.
May mga gano'n. Alam mo naman imposible, pero gusto mo lang, hypothetical, gano'n.
Hypothetical, international,
Angelina
walang
Jolie.
local. Bawal yung local.
Local naman kasi, eto naman kasi lahat na sa local eh.
Grabe yung lahat na
It's not true, Your Honor.
Naging friends.
Is it true, Your Honor?
I think so.
Wow! Ikaw sumagot for him.